Nabasa ko lang po sa Facebook. A man was saying to himself, "Looks like I have a special power because when I cross the street and I gesture like this, the vehicles stop." Subukan yon. Pagtawid nyo mamaya. No? And you have power too. My dear brothers and sisters, the disciples, the 72 disciples returned to the Lord. And they were very, very happy. And they were saying, "Lord, even the demons are subject to us because of your name." They had special power. The demons follow their order. The demons follow their command. And they were very happy, for Jesus allowed them to have or share that power. Merong kapangyarihan na ibinahagi sa kanila ang Panginoon at sila'y tuwang-tuwa. Mga ginigili kong kapatid, dapat ding maging katulad tayo ng mga alagad. Tuwang-tuwa din dapat tayo. Bakit? Sapagkat tayo din ay binigyan ng mahal na birhen ng kapangyarihan, katulad ng kapangyarihan ibinigay sa mga alagad. At ano yon? Ang banal na rosaryo. The rosary in our hands is a powerful weapon. The rosary that we use in praying has the power that others do not have. And that is why we are celebrating today this power given to us. The Lady of the Rosary is entrusting to us a very effective weapon. So when we are tempted, pray the Rosary. When we are sad, pray the Rosary. When we are disturbed, pray the Rosary. When we are happy, pray the Rosary. Where we are in need of something, pray the Rosary. When you are about to take exam, a board exam, a bar, pray the Rosary. The Lord, the Blessed Mother, have given us a very powerful weapon in the Rosary. Huwag po kayong mahihiya na magdasal ng rosaryong nakikita ng ibang tao. Huwag kayong mahihiyang magdasal ng rosaryo kahit kayo'y nag-iisa, sapagkat ibinigay sa atin ang isang makapangyarihang sandata, ang banal na rosaryo. You know, an old priest was advising a younger priest. The old priest was telling him, "In your pockets, there must be two things, a rosary and a handkerchief." Rosaryo at panyo. Sabi niya, the rosary shows that you are a child with a mother. The handkerchief shows that you are a child with a manner. Yun daw, rosaryo ay tanda na meron tayong ina na nagmamahal sa atin. At yung handkerchief naman ay nagpapakitang meron kang magandang asal. Mga ginigili kong kapatid, make sure that you have a rosary in your pocket to show that you are a child of a mother. And make sure that you have handkerchief in your pocket to show that you have good manners. But the gospel, Jesus in the gospel was saying to the disciples, "Oo, meron kayong kapangyarihan, but Be more happy because your names are written in heaven. Matuwa kayo hindi lamang dahil sumusunod ang mga masasamang espiritu sa inyo. Matuwa kayo sapagkat ang mga pangalan ninyo ay nakasulat na sa langit. At dito, in a very subtle way, the Lord is trying to lead the disciples to something more noble than power, and that is the reward of heaven. At yan din naman ang gusto ng mahal na ina. Ibinigay sa atin ang banal na rosaryo upang dasalin, pero ipinapaalaala din sa atin ng mahal na ina, ang buhay natin ay paglalakbay lamang dito sa lupa. Ang tunay nating tahanan ay langit. So sa makatwid, sana sa pagdarasal natin ng banal na rosaryo, sa pagninilay natin ng mga misteryo ng banal na rosaryo, ang misteryo ng tuwa, ng hapis, ng luwalhati, at ng liwanag, ay magpaalaala sa atin na ang tunay nating tahanan ay ang langit, kapiling ng Diyos, kapiling ng mahal na Birhen. Pangarapin nating makarating sa langit. Pangarapin nating sa wakas ng ating buhay ay makapiling natin ng Diyos at makita siyang harap-harapan. My dear brothers and sisters, let me remind you again, we have a very powerful weapon in the rosary. Pray the rosary, no matter what circumstances we are in. Amen.